it up. No, it's a Vybz Kartel now. Him already the engine. What me say? Me say Vybz Kartel right now are the engine. What me say? There are many compartments to this engine. All the disciples who aren't able to articulate that they are a part of something very autonomous, with an autonomous effect. That's why I call the channel autonomous, because dancehall is autonomous. It's an explosive vibration of energy and vibe and gossip and rare and tate. Yo, me I tell you now, like me I say, keep it locked to autonomous, because me a whole heap of thing for telling you soon. And you not go and miss none of this what me I try telling you, here. Believe that what me I telling you. Yo, you don't take this simple, you think this a joke? You think it's a joke? You think it's a joke? It's not a joke. Autonomous. I'm out. Like, subscribe, and keep it locked. Because 2026, dancehall is autonomous. Autonomous. I'm out. Keep it locked. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to like. Autonomous dancehall.